How to Be a Cool Ruler in Jamaican Real Estate by Jamaica Homes, published on July 27, 2025. Lessons in Swagger, Struggle, and Strategy, inspired by Gregory Isaacs by Dean Jones, founder of Jamaica Homes. You think you're cool, but you're not cool until you're in control of your future. Dean Jones, realtor associate and founder of Jamaica Homes. They called my cousin Gregory Isaacs the cool ruler, and rightly so. He wasn't just a reggae musician. He was a vibe. He wore pain like silk and romance like armor. Even through his battles, he stood tall in front of the mic. Dripping elegance and vulnerability. That's why people still play Night Nurse, still quote rumors, and still call him one of the most exquisite vocalists to touch reggae. As someone related to him, I didn't just hear the music, I felt the man behind it. Gregory had struggles, no doubt, but he owned his truth. He delivered his message with style and grace. And that's the same energy Jamaican real estate agents need in this market. Charisma, consistency, and the courage to rise. So here's the million-dollar question. How can you be a cool ruler in Jamaican real estate? Whether you're just starting out or trying to level up, this is your blueprint, inspired by Gregory Isaacs himself. 1. Master your craft. Love is overdue, but professionalism shouldn't be. You don't know how much I love you, my baby. Gregory Isaacs, love is overdue. In real estate, people need to feel your professionalism long before you close a deal. Just like Gregory's lyrics hung heavy with emotion, your service must be filled with intention. Study the market, learn the laws, understand the differences between volume and folio numbers, titles and valuation roll IDs. Get familiar with NHT processes, private financing, and how to advise clients about pre-qualification. If love can be overdue, then so can the deal. But never let professionalism lag behind. Being a cool ruler means showing up even when no one is clapping. Practice your pitch. Learn to read a client's mood. Know your zones from Kingston 6 to Mobay. Pro tip, use each showing as your stage. Clients remember how you make them feel, not just the specs of a house. 2. Style without substance is nothing. Dress the part, know the part. Cool down the pace for me, little woman. Gregory Isaacs, cool down the pace. Isaacs never shouted. He soothed. His style wasn't loud, it was intentional. In Jamaican real estate, your image needs to match your intelligence. There's nothing wrong with looking sharp. But your words, your advice, and your presence must hold even more weight. Style will get you noticed. Substance will make people trust you. Be the one who brings clarity to confusion. Especially when clients are overwhelmed with paperwork, taxes, and bank back and forth. As a realtor, your swagger should never outshine your skill. If your words have no weight, you're just playing dress up. Dean Jones, Jamaica Homes. 3. Turn rumors into reputation. Keep your name clean. Dema spread rumors, oh now. Gregory Isaacs, rumors to make us small. Everybody knows somebody. In this market, your name is your brand, so guard it with your life. Deliver what you promise. Call back when you say you will. Don't hype a listing just to get attention. One misstep can echo through WhatsApp chats and voice notes quicker than a hurricane. Gregory Isaacs taught us something powerful. Even when people try to tear you down, your art, or in your case, your service, should speak louder. Be known as the agent who goes the extra mile, not the one who disappears after the down payment. 4. Respect the struggle. The market is no joke. I had a talk with my woman, and I told her not to hurt me again. Gregory Isaacs, Private Secretary. The Jamaican real estate market is not for the faint-hearted. Deals fall through. Sellers change their minds. Banks move like molasses. And sometimes clients look you in the eye and ghost you. That's why realtors need resilience. You will cry in your car. You will feel used. But being a cool ruler means not letting your heartbreak make you hard. Get up, follow up, Keep your database updated. Learn the new laws. Show up with grace, again and again. You can't let one bad transaction make you cynical. Real estate is a long game, and the winners are the ones who survive the dry seasons. Dean Jones. Block separator has alpha channel opacity. 5. Be the night nurse. Bring healing to the stress. Tell her, try her best just to make it quick. Woman tend to the sick. Gregory Isaacs. Night nurse. Buying or selling a home is emotional. People may not say it outright, but many clients are dealing with family disputes over land, broken hearts over selling a family home, anxiety about borrowing big money, hope for a better life. You're not just a salesperson. You're a guide, a witness, a comforter. Sometimes, what your client needs most isn't a showing. It's reassurance. Being the night nurse in real estate means understanding people's stories and tending to them with dignity and care. 6. Use your voice. Tell the truth, even when it's not sweet. The truth is, everyone is going to hurt you. You just got to find the ones worth suffering for. Often misattributed to Bob Marley, but applies here too. Cool rulers, don't pander. If the house is overpriced, say it. If the paperwork isn't right, walk away. If the buyer is not qualified, don't waste time. Your voice must be trusted. Gregory sang of heartbreak and hard times, but his voice never cracked under pressure. Be honest, even if it costs you a commission. Your integrity is the only thing the market can't take from you. Build your empire on truth, not tricks. Dean Jones. Giz back. Lift as you climb. I'm gonna make you a star. Yes, I will. Gregory Isaacs. Number 1. A true cool ruler doesn't climb alone. Mentor the younger agents. Share your insights. Speak in schools. Post your knowledge online for free. That's how you build a legacy, not just a client base. Jamaica needs more realtors with heart, not just hustle. At Jamaica Homes, we believe in making real estate accessible for all. From the returning resident to the young Jamaican trying to own their first piece of land. This is a mission, not a money grab. Final word. Live smooth, move sharp. You don't need to shout to sell a house. You don't need to cheat to build a brand. And you don't need to be anyone else to succeed. Gregory Isaacs taught us that true kings rule with grace, even when they're battling demons. So if you're in Jamaican real estate, whether Kingston, St. Anne, Mobay, or Portmore, ask yourself, are you just selling, or are you ruling? Real estate is not just about land, it's about legacy. Be bold, be real. Be the cool ruler your clients didn't know they needed. Dean Jones, founder of Jamaica Homes. Disclaimer: this article is inspired by the legacy of the late Gregory Isaacs and is intended for motivational and educational purposes only. While Gregory Isaacs was a legendary Jamaican musician and cultural icon, the comparisons made herein are metaphorical and meant to empower real estate professionals through storytelling. Any references to his life and lyrics are made with the utmost respect. The views expressed are those of Dean Jones, founder of Jamaica Homes, and do not constitute legal, financial, or professional real estate advice. Always consult with a licensed professional for guidance specific to your situation.